React is a popular JavaScript library created by Facebook. It's great for building dynamic and fast user interfaces, especially for single-page applications. Vue.js is known for being easy to learn and flexible. Created by Evan You, it's perfect for building both small and large web apps with minimal effort. Developed by Google, Angular is a full-featured framework. It's widely used in large enterprise applications and offers everything you need to build complex apps. Svelte is a modern JavaScript framework. It compiles code at build time, resulting in faster and smaller web applications, making it great for performance. Next.js is a React-based framework created by Vercel. It provides server-side rendering and static site generation, making websites fast and SEO-friendly.